Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Biostatistics lessons, and today's question is: study looked at mortality after Dredon therapy for severe heart failure. What is the relative risk increase using Dredon compared to the placebo in severe heart failure patients? Before we will find relative risk increase, we have to find relative risk. Here we have Dredon group, and here's our sample size, and here's how many people died, and here in parentheses we have percent. And here's our placebo group. Again, we have here total number of participants and how many died. Now we have to compare these two groups in order to find relative risk. So basically we are going to have here proportion. So first we convert first table into ratio, and this is going to be 24 people died out of 310 people. 2, in the placebo group, 9 people died out of 317 people. So we're comparing intervention group with placebo group, or it can be those who took medicine and, for example, control group. So we are going to get here 2.72688. We can round this number to 2.7. And now let's find relative risk increase. In this step we have to deduct from 1 2.7, and we are going to get minus 1.7, because we have here increase, so this number is bigger than this one, this percent is bigger than this one, we cannot get it negative. So in order to give an answer in percent form, we also have to multiply this by 100, and our answer is going to be 170%. So in Dredon group we have increase in mortality in comparison to placebo group by 170%. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.